April 4th, and we realized we've got to remove the entire skirt board, or skirt, masonry skirt on the building. She's basically sitting up on the pilings now. We are encountering some problems with groundwater, so buried the machine once, but now we're going to have to de-water the whole site. Start that process next week, and had the engineers out here earlier this week, make some revisions to the foundation detail, because of course what was here is, well, nobody knew what was really here underneath the ground. But we've got a good handle on it now. Looks like quite a mess, but just like any renovation, it's got to get worse before it gets better.